Hi crafters, it's Hannah here. Welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out the We Are Memory Keepers word punch board. I saw this online, had to get it, and it just came today, so I'm going to be opening it up and trying it out for the first time with you guys. So if you are new here, then please consider subscribing so you can catch any of my other videos. And if you have got this board, let me know in the comments what you think of it. Do you think it's worth it? How do you use it? I would love to hear from you. So let's get started. Okie dokie, so we are going to be unboxing the We Are Memory Keepers word punch board. So you can see I haven't opened it yet. I just got it this morning, so I thought I would open it up with you guys. First thing to say about getting it, I ordered it from blitsy.com, which is in America. So I ended up, I did actually mention on Blitsy, but I didn't think to check that it may be liable to customs charges. So wherever you are in the world, I'm just covering my address here, move it down a bit. Wherever you are in the world, just double check that, so you're not surprised by it, because they came to deliver it, but I didn't answer. I don't think there was anybody here to pay the charge. That's just my paperwork, and so I had to pay it online, and so it took a little bit longer to get here, but here it is. So this is the We Are Memory Keepers word punch board. So this came out, I'm just looking on We Are Memory Keepers website, and it came out about June last year. So in addition to all the other boards that they've got, oh, I'm so excited. So you can punch 10 letters at once, you can link the letters all together. So this is going to be a sort of first impressions test review type thing of this board. I actually saw it on YouTube. I can't get this open. I saw a video of it. I can't even remember where, what channel it was or anything. I just saw it and I was like, oh, I need to have that. So I looked around, and you could get it on Amazon, but the prices are all over the place kind of thing, aren't they? So I just ended up getting it from Blitsy. So the first thing I've actually ordered from there, I found the website a while ago and thought, oh yeah, it's a really good website for all your craft stuff. So I thought I'm going to have to give that a try at some point. And I thought this would be the perfect first thing. Oh gosh, this is really well packed, first of all. Okay, so that's everything out of the box. Okay, so this is it. Gosh. So that's the actual punching mechanism bit, and then you've got all your letters, and they do slide together, so that's good. I'll probably repurpose the box it came in and have that as its case, something like that. Okay, and these. So you might have seen this before. I'm just a little bit slow to seeing it for the first time, I guess. So all of your letters, I'm not going to put them in alphabetical order because we will be here a while, but anyway, so you've got all your letters there and the actual board itself, and some instructions. Okay, we'll see how easy this is or not to figure out. So Place your desired characters in the base. If the word has a repeated letter, leave a punch space for it. So let's do the word that it has there. Okay, how do I? Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm scared of breaking them. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take them all apart. Ow! Oh, okay, so they're quite stiff to get apart. Maybe. Oh gosh, and I've actually cut myself. Wow. Okay. Huh. I've actually cut myself properly. What am I like? They're really stiff to get apart for the first time, and I don't want to pull it too hard because I don't want to break it. Just make sure I'm pulling it the right way. So that would go down, so I need to pull it up. Okay, there we go. Okay. Talk about bleeding for your craft, jeez. I just want to get the letter H. So it goes in that way. So H. Seriously. Wow. That is okay. So H-A. Oh my goodness. I'm doing this the right way, aren't I? Ow. Oh my word. Okay, so that's one thing to note. It's a little bit awkward to get them apart. I'm thinking maybe because it's the first time they need to loosen up a bit. So, we're doing the word happy. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, so I did grab some cardstock. So, insert the paper. So each little letter has got a groove there, which is where you actually punch. So there's a little stopper there that you can bump up your cardstock next to, so you know it's in the right place. So you put it in and punch it down. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. So remove the paper and place repeated letter into the correct place. So just move that one along and insert it again. It's saying to insert the whole thing again, so we'll see how that goes. Awesome. Look at that. Oh, you can't see. Hang on. Let me put a darker colour behind. There you go. Wow, that is so cool. I love that. Okay. Right. So what else does it say? If punch is jammed, you can push the button to release it. Cut paper down to 5/8 of an inch for perfectly centered letters. Okay, so we'll do that. Let me just grab my trimmer. So let's do a strip here. So 5/8 of an inch is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1 notch above half an inch, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So you've got your half an inch, and then it's 1 notch over. So that should be, according to the paper here, the perfect size. So let's try it again. You can bump it up to there. And punch. And it is exactly the right size. That is very cool. is just awesome. So, oh, haha, I like that a lot. Wicked. So also you can use the punch out bits. Am I grabbing the right bit? There's a bit to slide out, I think. Or am I imagining it? I thought you slid that out to clean it. I remove. Okay, there you go. So all the cutout bits fall in the bottom, so then you can grab each letter. So you've got the actual cutouts as well. So you could use those bits. So you've got the letters, the positive and the negative, that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, how cool is that? This is, oh my goodness, so it's got it there, you know, tags for your diary, or on, I'm thinking scrapbook pages, you know, planner pages. There's just that. Anywhere you want to add a title basically, and it's really easy and doesn't take up the actual board itself. Let's have a look actually. So let's pop this back and it just clips back in. So the actual board itself is 7 inches, just a hair under 7 inches by 3 3/4 inches, so it's not that big. And then each of these is about 1/2 inch by 1.5, 1.5 that way, half that way. So they don't take up a lot of room. I think probably what I would do to store it is maybe something with that box, because it all fits in there, doesn't it? I actually want to take them all apart, but I'm scared to break it. I'm guessing with, you know, use, it's going to loosen up a bit. Yeah, so that's already a little bit easier. But this is the first time. Jeez, that is really... No, I'm not gonna do that on camera because I have a feeling I will break it. So what I would probably do is make some sort of box, just store all the letters. So you've got all of the letters. There's no like punctuation in there. It's just the letters. But I mean, that's, you know, it's enough. Perfectly fine. So yeah, a nice little box probably to store those in. And like I say, that doesn't take up much space. And there are a lot of possibilities of what you can do with this. You can use this as a stencil. I'm thinking if it's strong enough to punch through like vellum or acetate type stuff, then you could use it as a word stencil, or even just on with the card it would work. But if you wanted to keep it, then maybe try it with some acetate or something like that. So that is basically it. It's a really short video, I know, but I just wanted to do sort of a first impressions, and then when I come up with some more project ideas, I will share those with you as well. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing so you can check out my next lot of videos, whatever I'm doing next, I'm not sure yet, but I will speak to you all very soon. Bye.